Hey, I'm Shelly from Shelly Creates It. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my products that I created in the fall of 2023. I hope you enjoy, and I hope it inspires you to go create something as well. This fall I found a DTF printer, direct-to-film printer in the San Antonio area that I am in love with. The DTFs are crisp, clear, and always great quality, and he has a super fast turnaround. So if you are looking for a great DTF printer, he also ships, or you can pick up at his doorstep. I'll leave the link down below. Check them out. These are going on the shirt tag area. I thought it'd be neat to have just a little extra branding on there as well, so they can remember, oh, that's where I got that shirt, in case they want to order more in the future. I hope you enjoyed watching me create tees for my customers, and I will see you soon as I start Vlogmas 2023.